Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and isolating the controller. This prevents false signals. Remove batteries or unplug the USB, then hold the controller's sync button for 10 seconds to discharge capacitors. Once done, reinsert fresh batteries or connect a fully charged USB cable to force a stable power state. Make sure to confirm the console is off or in a soft-powered state so the controller won't try to reconnect mid-reset. This step fixes most transient flashing issues quickly. Now you focus on pairing and firmware because incompatible firmware often causes flashing. Pair by holding the console's sync button, then the controller's. Watch for a steady light to confirm connection. If flashing persists, open the Accessories app and install any controller updates. Updating resolves protocol mismatches. Make sure to attempt a wired connection if wireless pairing fails, since USB updates bypass wireless radios and can restore proper LED behavior when a software bug is responsible. Finish by performing a factory reset on the controller. That clears corrupted settings that can cause persistent flashing. Press and hold sync plus other assigned reset buttons per model instructions, then repair. If the light still flashes, inspect for liquid damage or jammed buttons that short the LED circuit. As a key troubleshooting tip, connect the controller to another console or PC. If it behaves normally there, the issue is the original console. If not, consider warranty repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.